Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download CapCut Pro and activate its free trial quickly and safely. First, open your browser and go to the official CapCut website. Here, click on the download button to download the latest version of CapCut. After that, install it. Once CapCut is installed, open the app and sign in or create an account. After you are logged in, look for the Pro or Upgrade button in the app. To begin the free trial, you will need to provide a payment method. That could be a credit card or PayPal, depending on your device. Do not worry, you will not be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. Set a reminder on your phone or calendar to cancel in time if you decide not to continue. Once the trial is activated, you will have full access to Pro features, AI tools, premium effects, high-quality exports, and more. Use the time to explore what Pro can do. Thanks for watching.